Hi, this is Teresa of Mountaineer Farms. Well, this is part 2. They're putting up the rafters for this pavilion carport.
We'll go up. We should be able to swing.
Now, they stick built every rafter. And so they brought everything in where they were milling it, cutting it, and then they're stick building it. And now they're slowly putting it up. Randy, bring it right over to you.
Okay. You're going to have to give me a minute.
I know, I'm just saying. How heavy are those rafters? About 300 pounds? 400?
Bag of marshmallows, whatever bag
Yeah.
of marshmallow weighs.
Yeah, just like a bag of
About
marshmallows.
1,000.
Okay. They are so comical.
All right, let's do the same thing. I'll lift
There's
here.
nothing.
Start the first
There's nothing light about them. How's that?
No. Well, I couldn't even pick up one side, so now they've put them up on either end.
All right. Why don't you set that down real quick? 'Cause I'm going to help Alex, and then
All right, I'm going to set this here so I can help them.
you can stick this underneath it.
one. Work on this one.
I'm going to adjust it just a little bit. Okay.
Just to get it going.
Well, it's going to be right in the way.
No?
Oh, okay. Okay, that's what you're saying. You're doing.
No, you can't do that.
Yeah, I gotta look at the inside.
Yeah, you got to go to it.
Yeah, all right, here you go.
Okay.
Well, this one you turned it sideways. We got it going up, and then you got on the ladder. I held it, and then you went on the ladder. Yeah, like that.
Good here.
Hang on to this post, Teresa.
Okay.
Oh, it's hitting the ladder. Let's go down just a minute. Let me go back one a little bit more. Ready?
Yep.
Whoops, I'm full of it. Where's the landscape?
It's over here, Teresa. Fumbling with it. Give me that landscape too.
Okay, I'm not going to go up a little bit more.
Okay.
You good?
Yep.
Now you can adjust your ladder.
Not bad.
Yeah.
We're moving.
That wasn't bad for a young kid.
Yep.
You'll have to come over here and grab it, Teresa,
Okay.
because it'll fall.
All right.
We've got 10 minutes to go.
Walk wider. Hurry.
All right, I'm right here.
That thing falls. Come over here.
All right.
Just reach right in here and grab that landscape timber. Now, Alex, we can go up some and then let it rest on this.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Go.
A little bit more.
Ready?
All right.
How's our ends looking? Okay.
Slide this away just a little bit, but Teresa, block.
I am.
Don't hold on to this. Let me go up. Let me get a little closer. You got this?
I hope so. Yeah, this will be a whole lot easier than my tractor.
Yeah, normally he's got tractors, but on this particular job,
I tried to get a lift.
yeah.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, it needs to come to the left.
Okay, huh?
It's hitting that board over there, but I think we're in good shape here.
What they're doing, they're trying to get that bird's nest or bird's mouth.
Teresa, back up.
Okay.
Watch yourself, Randy.
All right.
It's in place. I got it.
Is it in bird's mouth over there?
Yep.
Yep.
Bird's mouth.
All right. Set your camera down there for a minute, Teresa.
Okay. All right, what you need? The drill and the screws.
Yep, screws.
Lay that forward. What do we do with
What?
I was looking for that board.
Cord?
Board.
What board?
So you could do your 45.
I'm not worried about the 45 yet.
Oh,
We have to do
the big screws.
the long black screws. The Makita drill has got the right bit on it.
Yep. He's using these big screws.
Hit me that hammer one more time. Yeah, this ain't like a regular stick build. If you don't get this set right,
The whole thing comes down.
well, it's harder to take down and get set right.
We figured out I'm his tool belt today.
Yeah, she's straightening herself out. Randy, that one's nice and level.
That one's nice and level.
Nice and level. Gotta get in the right spot.
Okay. I'll take one of these bracings off.
Huh?
For your other 45.
Take that other brace out.
It's pretty close up there. Only got one screw in it. Hand me that drill, honey.
I've got it.
Where'd you put the screws on this? You remember?
Say again?
Where'd you put the screws on this one over here?
Just one in the top and one in the bottom.
There's one right here.
Where's one up here?
There's not one. Down.
Do that.
I've got your cord for your 45.
Blocked you off, didn't we?
Yeah, it's alright. Always walk it out. Just trying to figure it out. There is a power line that comes up somehow this way. Wondering how you guys get the power.
Oh, I have no clue. They're there. If you'll go out and knock on the back door.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it seems like a line comes out, something like that. I'm trying to figure out what house it is. So they're gonna be trimming trees away. I need to like let them know.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Talk about fun.
Yeah, it got hot quick.
Now what he's doing, he's putting 45 braces, and this just keeps everything level until he puts the tin on. Now these are the 3 main rafters that he's got up. Now he's going to be putting a center beam right through here, right through the middle. He's putting a center beam.
I mean, even if it's not perfectly straight.
So there's no center post here in the middle. Everything is going to be supported that way.
I wanted to stick that one on the back. I wanted to stick that one on the back.
Well, it looks good there. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. The whole rafter. See where the live edge is?
Yeah.
I was going to stick that on the very back. You want to change? Can we take this one down?
Just grab that in. You don't want from right here?
No, that looks good.
We'll hand it to Teresa.
Yeah, Teresa can do it.
Yeah. Okay, Randy, come explain how you're going to do the rest of this.
I'm done.
No, you're not done. You got maybe another hour of work. But
Yeah. We're going to put a board in between up here at the top. Be like a header.
right.
And then we got some rafters coming off in the middle here. It won't be the support rafters. It'll just be coming off that board in the middle, just so we can put the
The last.
tin lats on. I mean, they look like them. They're the same thing, but it won't have all that bracing in them.
Right. So, and they're 2x6s, 2x8s,
But it's the same as them.
the same as those.
Yeah, it's 4x6.
4x6s. Okay. Yeah. Well, this is what he's done, hanging the rafters. And like I said, these are custom built stick rafters. He cuts each one individually. He measures each one individually. He cuts each one, and then he lays them out and measures them, blocks them, makes sure they're where they need to be, and then he comes back and puts them all together at the job site. Now today, this is it's the second day working on the job site after they got the post in. I know he's wanting to get the center rafters done, and I know he wants to get the 45 supports on each of the posts done. But it's gonna look wonderful. I am amazed every time he does anything. So, but we're just working on this project here. I just wanted to show you how he hung the rafters, how he built them, how he put them together, assembled them, and hung them. Like I said, no lifts, no tractor, just good old manpower. Well, remember to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any comments or suggestions, please let us know. We love hearing from everybody. And as always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.